Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by unlocking your Kindle Fire and going straight to Settings. This gets you where Wallpaper options live. Tap Display and Sounds because that section controls the lock screen image. Make sure the photo you want is already saved in Photos or Files so you can select it without delay. If the image is in the cloud, download it first. Once done, keep the device awake and proceed to the next step to pick and apply the image. Now you choose Lock Screen or Wallpaper from Display and Sounds and tap Set Wallpaper. You'll see image thumbnails. Select your saved photo, then use the crop and reposition handles to fit the 16:9 orientation or portrait as needed. You can pinch to zoom and drag to adjust framing. Make sure key content isn't under icons. Preview the result so you catch exposure or alignment issues, and when it looks right, confirm by tapping Apply or finish by tapping Apply or Set to commit the new lock screen wallpaper. You'll see it on the lock screen the next time the device wakes. Make sure your wake/lock settings aren't hiding the image with ambient dimming. Adjust brightness if needed. If the image doesn't appear, reboot the Kindle Fire and reselect the photo from Files or Photos. This clears thumbnail cache. If problems persist, choose a different file format. JPEG works best before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.